Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve one double YouTube manometer problem. So in this figure, the double manometer is connected with a pressure gauge in the left hand side, and the right hand side uh, double YouTube manometer is connected with the pipe. So here we have to find out that what will be the pressure at this pipeline. Means we have to calculate the PP. So now we have start from this left hand side. So here P gauge PG is given. So now here, as we can consider that negligible density of air density is 1.15 kg per meter cube. So we are not considering this height, so we consider here the pressure is PG. Now as we are drawing one reference line to that same fluid at same reference line, so pressure will be same. So here the pressure will be PG. Now again if I go upward direction, so pressure will decrease. So at this point the pressure will be PG minus 45 centimeter. So if we convert 45 centimeter to meter, so that will be 0.45. Then density of this fluid is water, so that is 100, and then G is 9.81. so we know that any pressure P is nothing but H rho G. So here I am putting H rho G, negative sign. Why? Because we are going upward direction, so when we will go upward direction pressure will be negative. So here if we calculate, so it will be PG, if I do the calculation, so that will be 4414.5. now here if I draw the reference line, so pressure will be same at this point, so same pressure, so that will be PG minus 44145. now here again, so next is here we have to calculate the pressure. Now as we are going to downward direction, so pressure will increase. So the pressure at this point will be, so PG minus 4414.5. then the height of this oil is 50 centimeter. So what we have to do that, so plus, because pressure will increase, 0.5, so 50 centimeter to meter. Then the oil specific gravity is 0.79, so the density will be 790, and then 9.81. so now if I do the calculation, PG minus 4414.5, now this will be something plus 3874.5. now if I do the calculation, so I think the pressure PG will be minus 539.55. so we got pressure at this point. Okay, so we got pressure this point, PG minus 539.55. now if I again draw the reference line for that same fluid, so pressure at this point also be the same, so PG minus 539.55, the same pressure. now again we have to calculate pressure this point, because height difference is 10 centimeter. so here if I do the calculation, pressure difference, here pressure will be PG minus 539.55. again if I go upward direction, so pressure will decrease, so minus 0.1. then density of fluid, that is mercury, so density will be 13,600 into 9.81. So if I do the calculation, so that will be PG 539.55 minus 13341, 13341.6. So finally, if I do the calculation, PG will be PG minus 13. If I do that, okay, so that will be 13881.15. So now we got the pressure here. Now we have to calculate the pressure of the pipeline. So here again we are going upward direction. So PP will be, okay, so I am doing calculation here. So PP will be PG minus 1388.15. Then because of the 22 the height difference, so again minus 0.22 into, in the pipe that gasoline is there, that density is 700 into 9.81. so if I do the calculation, so that will be something PG minus 1539.89. so that is the PP. Now if I go next page, okay, now here, okay, fine. So PG is given, so that is 370 kPa, so that is 370,000 Pascal. So if I do that, 370,000 minus 1539.89, so if I subtract, so we'll get pressure will be 354.608, or maybe here 354,608.11, so that will be Pascal, so that will be Pascal. So finally answer PP is nothing but 354.608 kilopascal. So that is the answer. That's it. Thank you.